So, does Odoo have email hosting? Does Odoo offer email hosting? The short answer: Odoo does not provide full email hosting like Gmail or Outlook. Instead, Odoo offers built-in mail servers for sending and receiving emails within its platform, and you can connect external email providers like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and your own SMTP IMAP server for complete hosting needs. So how does email work with Odoo? Like I said, they offer built-in mail servers, Odoo Online and Odoo.sh databases that come pre-configured with outgoing and incoming mail servers, so emails work out of the box. Now, daily sending limits will affect you. By default, Odoo Enterprise databases can send up to 200 emails per day to prevent abuse. This limit can be increased under certain conditions, but the limitation alone is not good for business. External server integration: you can actually configure your SMTP, which is for outgoing, and IMAP or POP for incoming servers, to use your own email hosting provider. And Odoo does support aliases like sales@yourcompany.com that route incoming emails to specific apps like CRM and help desk. So some practical considerations: it's Odoo, while it offers the configured servers, they are not a replacement for full email hosting. They do their best to offer an email management layer inside your ERP system, but not as your sole email provider. There are limitations on bulk email, so if you're going to do mass marketing campaigns, you need Odoo email marketing or an external service like MailChimp. And configuring external mail servers requires some technical skill, so just bear that in mind. So does Odoo have email hosting? The short answer is Odoo does not provide full email hosting like your Gmail and Outlook. Instead, they do have some built-in mail servers for sending and receiving emails within their platform.